Next topic, multinational corporations. Multinational corporation, MNC. The multinational corporation that means here one major countries, one major industries, for that is in USA. So India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and another one country is for the Afghanistan. So one is the major countries, another one is one country is major, another country is the subdivisions. So multinational corporations, MNC is corporate organizations which owns and control the production of goods. So the one country is controlled by the productions of the goods and service. At least one countries, other than one home countries, one country is the major country and the country mulima matra country ke one country is the major country. MNC is the corporate organizations which owns or control the productions of the goods and service. Mainly this word is very important. Owns or control the productions of goods and service in at least one country. Multinational corporation is the business firm if operating in several countries, but control the one country. That is a MNC. Multinational corporation is MNC operating in several countries. So the America operating in several countries, but control the one home countries. Control the productions of the goods and service at least one country, other than in the home countries. The evaluations of MNC. The East Indian Company, which came to India as a trading company, the trade purpose. After that, then it throughout the countries. After that, they occupied throughout the countries. First, 1600 the English East Indian Company established, and 1611 came to India for trade purpose. After that, control the whole countries throughout the country to become politically dominant. This is a multinational first start in these activities. Multinations, the first start the activities in the extractive. After that, the main controlled by the manufacturers and the goods and service. The initial stage, the only for trade purpose, the extractive industries are control the raw material in the countries. The only controlled by the raw materials. After that, so during these 1920s, only controlled by the raw materials in British government, and slowly implementations in spread of other countries into these manufacturing and service sectors. After 1950s, most of the manufacturing MNC is present, belonging to the mainly for in the manufacturing and the goods and services. Manufacturing, that is industries and services sectors after 1950s. So most of the places occupied. The most of the MNC are present, belonging to the four major exporting. One is here USA, UK, another one is France, Germany. These are four important the exporting countries. However, the larger in America. The total countries 15 largest multinational companies, and the 11th place controlled by the America. In the Americans, the 11th of the largest multinational are Americans. So in this topic, what is meant by multinational corporation? Multinational corporation is controlled by one home countries, the spread of the other countries. Yes, the multinational corporation is the organizations which owns or control the productions of the goods and service. At least one home countries or other than the homes. Then the first they started the English Indian companies came to India for trade purpose. After that 1920s, the control by this raw materials. After the spread, the slowly spread 1950s, the control by the manufacturing and the service sectors. Manufacturing and the service sectors. After that is the major MNCs belonging to the four countries. One is the UK, USA, France, Germany. However, the largest in America. The fourth and the largest one is the America. 11th of the fifth largest multinationals are Americans. Thank you.